Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Knowledge Bytes. Our knowledge bite of the day is IPX ratings. You may have heard of the term IPX ratings. The term IPX is used in a number of electronic devices these days, let it be a mobile phone, a smartwatch, a camera, or any IoT device. You have ever wondered what it means, why it is important, and how do you understand it perfectly? It is just not another technical jargon that you may afford to forget. No need to worry, we are here to give you the gyan. So let's dive in. The IPX rating system is used to evaluate how resistant an electronic device is to environmental conditions. It becomes very important when you carry your electronic device with you in different environmental conditions. What will happen if you accidentally drop your mobile in a pool? What will happen if you happen to carry your smartphone in a rainy day and you forget to carry a raincoat? IPX ratings of your electronic device will determine that your device will still be functional under these harsh environmental conditions like dust, moisture, or water. Every electronic device used around the globe has an IP rating. Even the laptop or desktop you are watching this video has an IP rating. It is international standard which explain how much an electronic device is protected against external environmental challenges like dust and water. The IP ratings are defined in international standards EN 6059. Let's talk more about this rating. What does it actually mean? IP stands for ingress protection. IPX may also alternatively denote the object being weather resistant, waterproof, or dust resistant. IP ratings are actually represented as IPXX, where first X denotes solid object and the other X denotes as a liquid object. Solid object has a range ranging from 0 to 6 and liquid objects have ratings ranging from 0 to 8. So let's dive in and explore further what does the individual combination would look like. For example, a device having IPX0 for solid and IPX0 for liquid offers no protection against water or any physical particles, whereas a device having solid IPX rating 1 and liquid IPX rating 1 provides protection against solid object greater than 50 mm, for example a football, maybe your hand, and it also offers protection from dripping water vertically. Similarly, a device having IPX rating 2 for solid and liquid protects against solid object greater than 12.5 mm, for example your finger. It also offers protection from vertically dripping water. A device having IPX rating 3 for solid and liquid provides protection against solid object greater than 2.5 mm, for example a wire. It also provides protection from sprays, water sprays up to 60 degrees. A device having an IPX rating 4 provides protection against solid object greater than 1 mm, for example a thin wire or a strap. It also protects from splashing water no matter the direction is. For IPX rating 5 for solid and liquid object, for solid object it provides dust protection, protects sufficient dust that may cause harm to the device. It also protects from water jets in any direction. For a device having IPX rating 6 for solid and liquid object is basically a dust tight object, so there is no ingress of dust in the device. It also protects from powerful water jets. IPX rating of 7 for liquid, because we have IPX rating up to 6 for solid objects, so here we have only for liquid objects starting from IPX 7. So if a device has IPX 7, that means that it is protected against temporary submersion of water up to 30 minutes at 3 feet, whereas for IPX rating 8 it means protection against permanent submersion in water at 13 feet. Always remember that a higher IP rating means that better protection. But wait, where is IPX9 and why it has not been mentioned yet? Is it not common? Well, it is true. IPX9 is not very common. It is used in equipments meant for hazardous environmental conditions like factories, power plants, etc. For instance, A rating of IPX9 offers protection against high pressure and high temperature water jet up to 80 degrees Celsius in any direction. But electronic equipments requiring such a level of protection is generally not required with general consumer products. Hence, IPX9 ratings are not used for devices meant for the general public, so it is not common in our common world. It is a common sense that IPX rating such as IPX0 or IPX17 will never be manufactured, which would otherwise allow an elbow or finger to enter the device but will not allow water to enter at the same time. Such kind of combinations are practically not possible. But you are the best judge. One last bit of information: if your device has no IPX rating, don't get disappointed. Not having an IPX rating does not mean that manufacturer of the device has not paid any attention towards the protection of the device. It might be possible that the manufacturer has used some different method and tools for protecting the device. For example, GoPro cameras do not have IPX ratings at all, but they are still waterproof and dustproof. So if you are going to a beach or doing some workout, make sure your headphones have IPX65 or higher. Thank you for watching the video, and please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you are always updated of all these wonderful bits of information. And if you like the video, please give your likes. Thank you for watching.